to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And if you're also new here, you may as well hit that subscribe button because you're already here anyway. So today's video is going to be a requested one. It's going to be a part 2 of my Halloween series, and I am a huge lover of Halloween. It's literally my favorite holiday. Move aside Christmas, move aside New Year's, Halloween is absolutely number one. It's my favorite. So today I thought I'd share part 2 of some Halloween costumes that you can DIY at home. A lot of them are pretty basic, and I wanted to do that for a specific reason, and that's because everybody is either at home. If you're watching this video, it's probably pretty last minute for you too, and I know it's last minute for me. So without further ado, let's get into it. First one, obviously, I just have a tiara. That's like as small as you can go. The next one I'm going to show you is just a black and orange inspired look. It was similar to my part 1, which I'll put in the cards up here and as well in the link in the description down below. But why don't we get into it? So I'm already wearing a black leotard, and that's really easy to play onto anyways. I like to just keep it simple. Always wear a black leotard, or if I'm going to be like a white cat or something, wear a white one and play on that. But since I'm wearing black today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to layer up looks with things you might already have at home. So first thing first, this was actually hard to find. It's an orange skirt. So I got this one from Talese, which is kind of similar to Goodwill or Value Village. So it's just a consignment or thrift store. I got this for $7.99. You can absolutely get a cheaper one, I'm sure, at Goodwill. But I got this one anyways, and it's like a bright orange. So I would layer this on top. So it's a nice and simple orange skirt that you can still dance in. That's the most important thing, right? That we're able to dance. I'm going to take this off. Now you can also find these necklaces at like a Dollar Tree or Dollarama. Don't underestimate the dollar store. So I found these necklaces, which I don't want to open yet because they're present and I'm just using them for this video, but I would layer either all of them on or just pick out the orange and the black one. After that, I also have these little things, which I don't even know where I got them from. They're just kind of laying around the house, and they have little jack-o'-lanterns all over them. So I would like wrap this either around my waist as like a dance belt, or around my neck, or in my hair like a little headband. So I'm gonna do that today, just like a little tie, kind of like a scrunchie. I went to Claire's yesterday. I almost got the butterfly wings, which was so cute, and I thought it would go so well, but the line was huge, and I was not about to wait for like an hour just to get butterfly wings. So yeah, I would just tie this like so. You see how it's already starting to build already? I also have this, which I would just add on top. Now, you could also wear like an orange shirt, like I did in my first video, but I would draw on like a jack-o'-lantern on it. So you're a whole jack-o'-lantern going to a masquerade or something like that. So you don't have to opt for all of these things because it might be a bit much, but I go big or go home. I would also pair this with black tights, like so. And this is just a really simple way to be festive, wear orange and black without going, oh my goodness. And if you have a black cat, even better. But yeah, this is just a nice simple way to stay festive without having a whole costume if you don't have time, if you're late like I am. Okay, next one. So same idea here. It would be way better if you had a polka dot red outfit. I do have a dress that's polka dot red and white, which would be even better, but I can't dance in that dress because it's one of those like cute tight ones. I just opted for a red skirt. I've got these Minnie Mouse ears, which you can absolutely find at a dollar store too, or you can find them, I think these ones are actually from Disney. I'm sure a lot of you watching this have either been to Disney or been to the Disney store, and these are like the easiest thing to find. I'm sure you can find them on Amazon too. I would just wear this and like a red skirt and try to find a red skirt that actually fits. I did have a red ballet skirt. I have no idea where it went since, so I just took this old one. You can still dance in it. That's again the important thing. You could also pair it with like a red leotard. I thought the black on black looked pretty cute with the mouse ears too. And I also just found this Minnie Mouse shirt I already have from Disney or the Disney store. I'm just gonna pair these ones together because I think it's really cute. Literally like the most simple thing. So this is actually what I wore to dance last night. I had these little devil horns, and then I just paired it with this mesh shirt, which you can find a lot of these kind of mesh shirts at like a Forever 21. Find them online, I'm sure, or even in the consignment store. This one I got in Franken-Oak, but I'm 100% sure you can find something similar to this in a thrift store and help save the planet. But anyways, I'm wearing my Yumiko skirt with this and my, oh my gosh, my devil horns, and the whole black look just really screams Halloween to me. You could also pair this with that same mask And if you have like a wand or a scepter, which you can also find at a lot of dollar stores, I would pair it with that. But I don't have a wand or a scepter, so just imagine one right here. Okay, last and final one is just finding a flannel you have at home, a belt, or a pair of suspenders if you have that, that's even better, and a hat, and you're automatically either a farmer or you're automatically oh my goodness, a lumberjack. However, whichever you want. If you want to be a lumberjack, I would put a pair of overalls over top, which I don't have any overalls, but that's another thing you can just find at a consignment store. Put that over top of a flannel. I'm sure most of you have a flannel at home, and if you don't, same thing, thrift store. So I just have a belt to show you what it would look like, kind of. With the hat, I kind of look like a trucker, or I look like a farmer, or a lumberjack. So if you're gonna be a lumberjack, I would have an axe too, just to help with the authenticity of it. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Sorry, it's kind of chopped up and there's not a lot, but I wanted to really do things that you would already have at home and that you wouldn't have to either make a huge trip for or buy something super expensive for, or things that you just find at a thrift store or the dollar store. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this. Have a happy Halloween. Thanks again for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and bye now. My cat's going crazy. She's got the zoomies.